How to use FrankSocial app. So yeah, this is a trending app in social networking right now. As you might notice, like the social media space is super polarized right now in US. There are like apps right now are basically in two camps, like left or right, and this is the app on the like kind of right side of political spectrum. And so yeah, you can just open it up, and this is basically the app for built by the guy behind my pillow store. So this is like his social network. I think he's Mike Lindell or so. And then yeah, then you can just see it's basically like Twitter with all the updates in this category. There are still a bunch of bugs and all of that, so it was just released. So probably you just need to refresh it a few times. But yeah, here you can see yeah, just yeah, some bugs, but then you can see some videos about elections. Some you can track some features. Then there are some videos, like some featured videos about like Mike Lindell and all of that. Then there's tabs with more. You can just explore some favorites. You can see your profile, link to my store, my pillow store. And yeah, that's basically the app. So it's kind of similar to True Social, but it's not that scale. Just basically everyone wants to build own social media app these days. It's kind of becomes relatively easy with all this open source Mastodon um, you know code bases. And then you can also see messages, but this app is quite advanced already. There are still few bugs here and there. I don't know why it's showing these weird signatures, but hopefully they will fix it in the next update. And then yeah, you just have your account. Then if you here, you can just see this, and then you can, if you want, you can delete your account. So that's what it is. That's how you use the app. You can see your name, username, profile picture. Hope it's helpful.